The sun rises gently over a vast green cattle farm. Healthy cows graze peacefully on fresh green grass. A farmer feeds the cows fresh hay. A veterinary doctor carefully checks each cow and makes regular health reports, all without taking any risks. Inside a modern dairy farm barn, and the ventilation system keeps the air fresh and healthy. A farm worker gently washes a cow with fresh, clean water. In this modern farm, cows drink from an automated water system that provides clean, fresh water continuously, keeping them healthy and well hydrated throughout the day. The storage area for cattle feed is neat and organized, with clean sacks lined up. Workers clean the barn floor efficiently using modern equipment, keeping the environment safe and hygienic for the cows. The loading ramp for cattle transport is well organized, allowing animals to move safely and efficiently while maintaining a clean and controlled environment. A clean livestock transport truck arrives at its destination, and the careful offloading of the animals begins. Aerial view of a wide countryside farm showing fields and pastures in full detail. Workers carefully guide the cows, ensuring they move safely and calmly through the farm. Workers enter the factory wearing gloves, boots, and safety helmets, ready for a safe day of work. Raw hides are carefully stored in a cold storage facility, keeping them fresh and well preserved. Workers unload the hides carefully, keeping everything organized and orderly. A large industrial soaking drum is filled with water, ready for the initial stage of the leather processing. The rotating drum gently washes the hides, removing dirt and impurities with precision. A worker checks the water temperature digitally to ensure it is just right for the process. The chemical processing drum operates steadily, treating the hides for the next stage of leather production. A worker carefully monitors the control panel, ensuring every process runs smoothly. The chemical processing drum is in operation, carefully treating the hides to prepare them for the next stage of leather production. In the vegetable tanning process, natural plant extracts are used to treat the hides, transforming them into durable and high-quality leather. In the industrial laboratory, experts carefully test the leather to ensure its strength and quality. An automated leather stretching machine carefully expands the material, improving its strength, texture, and overall quality. A spray finishing machine applies color evenly, giving the leather its final rich appearance. Inside the factory office, the team gathers to discuss production plans, ensuring efficiency, quality, and smooth operations. In the design studio, a shoe designer sketches new ideas carefully on paper. On the computer screen, a detailed 3D shoe design takes shape, allowing designers to refine every curve and feature with precision. A worker carefully selects the finest piece of leather for production. A laser cutting machine precisely shapes the leather, creating accurate patterns for the shoe components. In the factory, workers carefully stitch the leather uppers on industrial sewing machines, paying close attention to every seam to ensure each shoe meets the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. The supervisor carefully checks the stitching quality. A worker carefully applies adhesive, ensuring every part bonds perfectly for durable and high-quality shoes. The heat pressing machine firmly attaches the sole to the shoe, using precise pressure and temperature to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Newly assembled shoes are placed on a cooling rack, allowing them to set properly after finishing, ensuring every pair maintains its shape and quality. A worker carefully polishes the leather shoes, bringing out their shine and enhancing their final appearance. At the quality control inspection table, each shoe is carefully examined to ensure it meets the highest standards. In the shoe lacing section, workers carefully thread and tie each pair. Workers carefully pack the finished shoes into high-quality colored boxes, ensuring each pair is protected and presented beautifully for delivery. Stacked boxes of shoes are ready for shipment, organized and prepared for delivery. Warehouse workers load cartons efficiently, preparing them for shipment. A container truck leaves the factory at sunrise, beginning its journey to deliver the freshly made shoes. In a modern shoe store, neatly arranged display shelves showcase the latest designs, inviting customers to explore and choose their perfect pair. A close-up of a premium leather shoe sits elegantly on a pedestal, highlighting the fine craftsmanship, rich texture, and exquisite details that make it truly exceptional. A businessman walks confidently, wearing polished leather shoes, while a cameraman captures every step, showcasing their elegance, comfort, and professional appeal.